The iPhone 14 Pro series full entire look is finally here. This might be the most accurate look at the next big thing from Apple. Plus, Apple is doing something we never expected them to do, which will completely change how we look at the Pro and the non-Pro iPhones. Not just that, prepare your wallets, because we may have a price increase. So first up here we have a proper detailed look at the design of the iPhone 14 Pro, including the dimensions. The biggest change is now further confirmed: the brand new dual pill hole design. It is definitely bigger than what we expected, but again, it's rocking that 3D Face ID system. And it's definitely better than having a notch. The design is still boxy from the size like the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 12 series, but the 14 Pro will apparently be a millimeter thicker than the last year's iPhone 13 Pro. The camera lenses are looking slightly bigger, and they're also looking to be protruding more compared to last year's 13 Pro. This is because Apple is finally expected to make a megapixel jump to 48 megapixel that would also unlock 8K videos. We've got same positioning for the buttons, and once again we have a lightning board for charging. Sorry, no USB Apple will definitely most likely never use USB-C on their iPhones. They're going to eventually go portless. As for the standard non-Pro iPhone 14 and the iPhone 14 Max, they won't be getting the pill-shaped design. We're still going to see the notch design one last time on these phones, with the similar look as the iPhone 13 series. Now, speaking of the non-Pro iPhone 14 models, it seems like Apple will make even bigger differences between their Pro and the non-Pro series. Enter Apple A16 and A16 Pro chips. According to the latest info, the Apple A16 is just going to be a rebranded Apple A15 from last year, with some tweaks here and there for the non-Pro iPhone 14 and 14 Max. Whereas the A16 Pro is going to be the new 4nm chip that's going to power the iPhone 14 Pro and the 14 Pro Max. All these chips will be manufactured by TSMC. So pretty much Apple is using last year's chip for their non-Pro iPhones, but because they want good marketing, they're using the Apple A16 name. Now, why is Apple doing this? Well, they may be struggling with the chips because of the chip shortage, while other people say that this is simply a marketing/cost-effective strategy for Apple, not for the consumers, because the pricing may increase. Yes, since there is no iPhone 14 mini, the iPhone 14 will start at about $800, while the iPhone 14 Max will start at $900. And this time the iPhone 14 Pro could see a $100 price increase, which means that it might start at $1,100. Of course, nothing is finalized yet, but just giving you guys a heads up that a price increase might happen. Now, for those of you who are interested in selling both of their kidneys, you can actually buy the most expensive 2TB iPhone, which could cost close to $2,000. So there we go, that's all the latest news on the new iPhone 14 series. I gotta say, the new design, the brand new camera upgrade, and of course the new 8K video. I'm super excited for the iPhone 14 Pro series. But I'm not so excited for the price increase and of course what Apple is doing for the non-Pro iPhone 14 series. I wish they could get the latest chip as well, but apparently there's going to be a rebranded Apple A15 chip running the show under the hood. So let me know what you think in the comments section below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.